Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. Project will continue every weekend and now we have started our Monday to Friday learning schedule. In the last video, we learned Flexbox basic, how to align items and create layout. Today we are going to learn Advanced Flexbox and see how real website use it. Before coding, understand this. Parts. First is container. Container means parent. Control layouts of all item is called container. Next, items. Items means children. Control individual box behavior is called item. So Flexbox two parts. First is container property, second is item property. Now let's create our structure. Open VS Code and start creating structure. I'm adding div element and giving it class name, container. Then I'm creating four div inside the container. Div class is box 1. I'm adding second div class box box 2. I'm adding third class is box 3. I'm adding last div. We will use this same layout for all experiments. Now let's style our boxes. Go to CSS file and start styling the container. Display flex. Now I'm adding background light gray. Now add height 300 pixel. Save. Now style box dot box. I'm adding width and height. Width is 100 pixel and height is 100 pixel. 100 pixel. Background tail. Margin 10 pixel. Color. Save and see here output. We will use this same example to understand all properties. Let's understand flex container properties. First is flex wrap. By default, Flexbox try to fit everything in one row, but when space is less, layout breaks. So we use flex wrap. Adding flex wrap. Flex wrap. See here output when items move into when I reduce screen size, item move to next line. This is why flex wrap is very important. Now let's understand next property. Align content. Align content is when items move into multiple row when we align content. I'm adding here align content. Space between. Save and see. Now rows are spaced vertically. This works only when we have multiple rows. Now, let's understand flex item properties. Now understand flex grow. I'm adding here flex grow 1. Save and see. Flex grow defines how much an item should expand. Now all boxes take equal space. Now let's understand flex shrink. Flex shrink control shrinking. कॉर्नर कंटेनर को क्या होना है डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स I need to container style display flex. Then I'm adding here flex shrink. 1. Save and see. Let's understand flex basics. Flex basis defines starting size. So I'm styling dot box 1. Sorry, box 1 flex basis 150 pixel. Save and see here changes. Items start from the size 150 pixel. Now let's understand flex shorthand. Instead of writing all three properties, we use shorthand, grow, shrink, and basis. Now let's understand order. Now we can change position without changing HTML. Order is 3. I'm styling box 2. Sorry, dot box 2 order 1. I'm styling dot box 3 order 2. Save and see. Order changes visually, smaller number comes first. Today we learn two types of properties, flex container property and flex item property. These properties are used in real website for responsive layout. Now you can build powerful layouts using Flexbox. Flexbox is not about memorizing. It is about practicing and observing. Like, share, and subscribe for more coding videos. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.